Good evening, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 8:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, November 18, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified when the videos come out. Share the video. Click the thumbs up. Intraday updates on the Wall Street trial link below in the description. We're here to talk about Fetch.AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, a lot going on in the market. Man, we really rolled over. We rolled over just like every other altcoin out there. So nothing to fear here. I think we are just purely in consolidation. I mean, you always have to worry about something. There's no such thing as a guarantee in this business. However, we did hit a pretty decent low, but we did have this long-term support line. This long-term support line has been going on for quite some time. I'm going to zoom out a little bit more. And we were all the way back here in August. So this has been a formidable, very functional line of support. We haven't been down here this low since really 3 weeks ago. I mean, who could complain? So we're back to square one from where we were. Build a time machine, go back 3 weeks, and that's where we were at. But right now, we are over 67 cents. We're at 69.65. Doing okay, relatively speaking. So we'll see where this thing pans out. In the meantime, if we do continue down in the event, and I have to put out the worst case scenario in my view, the next stop down would be 57. Not saying we're going to get there, but you know, things can get volatile, as you already know. Fetch Bitcoin right now, let's go take a look at that. We're at the very least trying to maintain our footing over here at 1228. We're a little below that, but that could be a dippy do, and you know how dippy doos go. Sometimes they don't last and they come back over the line. However, if we do make a massive break, we could have a temporary area here of around 1168 based on this support area back here. Worst case scenario, 1062. Again, my worst case scenario is where I'm looking at. So that would be support. In the meantime, Bitcoin is 57,000 now. We hit a low of 56,700. Last night's video when we talked about this, we were talking about this area here of support driven by higher lows from prior price action. In the meantime, we have a 54,000 handle in the event that this thing drops. We said if it dropped below 58, we would hit 54. We didn't hit 54 yet, but doesn't mean that we will either. We could be bouncing up. But right now, I have a scenario in my mind that would say if it hits 54, I go buying Bitcoin for the bounce. I personally think if it does hit 54, it will bounce. If it doesn't, and it glides up, great. I think we'd be in a reversal if we get over 66K. In the meantime, going over to Bitcoin dominance, we're still kind of sideways. Look, we're coming back down again, starting from 44 and change. We're already 43. This is pretty demonstrable. 44.40 was where we were yesterday, 44.30. Even today, we were pretty high. We're already more than a half a point, more than 50 bips on this thing down. So I think that because of the sideways consolidation with Bitcoin going down, I think it just means we are in a quote unquote healthy correction. Otherwise, you'd see this thing blowing up to the sky like the VIX, and we're not really seeing that here. So I think it's a healthy correction right now. So that's all I've got. Fetch US dollar 69.64. Reasonable line of support around 67. If we drop below that, we could be headed for 58. Talk soon.